Today, we are making rich and aromatic homemade butter ghee using a simple traditional method. With just butter and a little patience, you can create pure golden ghee, perfect for cooking, baking, and healthy meals. Start by cutting 500 grams of butter into medium-sized pieces. Place the butter into a large pot and melt it slowly over medium-low heat without stirring. As the butter melts, the milk solids will settle at the bottom, while the clear butter fat rises to the top. Increase the heat slightly. After 1 to 2 minutes, the milk solids will begin turning golden brown. Remove the pot from the heat and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Carefully ladle the transparent golden liquid into a clean bowl. This is your homemade butter ghee. Discard the browned milk solids remaining at the bottom of the pot. From 500 grams of butter, you will get approximately 375 grams of pure homemade ghee. Simple, natural, and full of flavor.